Hello people from wherever you are. Welcome again to another class with I, Teacher Martin. Today we go back to the basics. These basics are the one that helps you to enter into learning the Kikuyu language. And we are going to start with the Kikuyu vowels. I'm just going to read them loudly for you. First one, a, a, a. Second, e, e, e. Third, e, e. Fourth, o, 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 o. Then, u, u, u. Then, e. Then, o. So leading through them is a, e, o, u, e, o. It is very important for you to understand how to say all these vowels, because they are going to help you avoid confusing these sounds with what you already know in other languages, most importantly from English, because they sound differently. So the sounds are a, e, o, u, e, o. Let's do some practices. By adding a constant, like a constant r, r, r. First, the sound, the r sound is between r and r. Okay, so for this one, it kind of have that vibrating sound like ra, ra, re, ri, ro, ru, re, ro, ra, re, ri, ro, ru, re, ro, ra, re, ri, ro, ru, re, ro. Let's go on. We have another example here of syllables. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku, ke, ko. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku, ke, ko. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku, ke, ko. We go to the next one. Ha, he, hi, ho, hu, he, ho. Ha, he, hi, ho, hu, he, ho. Ha, he, hi, ho, hu, he, ho. To the next sound. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu, me, mo. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu, me, mo. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu, me, mo. Next sound. Na, ne, ni, no, nu, ne, no. Na, ne, ni, no, nu, ne, no. na, ne, ni, no, nu, ne, no. Next. Ga, ye, gi, go, gu, ye, go. Ga, ye, gi, go, gu, ye, go. Ga, ye, gi, go, gu, ye, go. We continue. The next sound here is ya, ye, yi, yo, you, ye, yo. Ya, ye, yi, yo, you, ye, yo. The next one. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu, ge, go. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu, ge, go. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu, ge, go. Next. Nya, nye, nyi, nyo, nyu, nye, nyo. Nya, nye, nyi, nyo, nyu, nye, nyo. Nya, nye, nyi, nyo, nyu, nye, nyo. So, good people, that is it. So, thank you for the team that is supporting this work through the premium classes. Yes, and you can also support via the phone number shared there so that you can support this free content. Thank you for the few premium students that have subscribed to personalized classes. I do appreciate your support. That's what makes me to keep going on and being able even to share with the other community that might not be in a position to pay for this content. It takes a lot of work to prepare it, and I thank God for everything. Thank you for your support, and thank you for being a subscriber in this channel. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly do so down here. Just click on that subscribe button, like, share, comment, and let me know how this content is. So may God bless you. Till another time, bye bye. Teacher Martin.